In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a picture's location using GPS coordinates or Google image search. Sometimes you have a photo, and you're curious where it was taken. Maybe it's an old vacation picture, or an image someone sent you, and you'd like to identify the place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through two main methods: checking the picture's GPS data, and using Google's reverse image search when that data isn't available. Let's start with GPS coordinates, which are often stored inside the photo file as hidden metadata, also called EXIF data. First, save the image to your computer or phone if it's not already there. On a computer, right-click the image file and look for something like Properties on Windows or Get Info on a Mac. Sometimes you'll see a Details or More Info tab that includes camera information. If your photo still has its location data, you may see latitude and longitude values listed there. On a phone, you can usually open the photo in your gallery app, tap the three-dot menu or More option, and look for Details or Info. Many gallery apps will even show the picture on a small map if location data is present. If you do find coordinates, copy them and paste them into Google Maps. Make sure you keep the format the same, including any minus signs or decimal points. Google Maps will drop a pin exactly where the photo was taken, or very close to it, which can give you the name of the place, nearby landmarks, or the full address. However, not all images keep their GPS data. Many social media sites remove this information for privacy reasons. When that happens, you can turn to Google Image Search. Open a web browser and go to images.google.com. If you're on a computer, you'll see a little camera icon in the search bar. Click that, then either paste the URL of an image from the web or upload an image directly from your device. On mobile, you might need to switch your browser to desktop mode or use the Search Image with Google option if your browser supports it. Once you upload the photo, Google will search for visually similar images around the web. Scroll through the results and look for matches on travel blogs, news articles, or map-related sites. Often, those pages will mention the name of the location, the city, or the landmark shown in your picture. By combining GPS coordinates when available and Google's reverse image search when they're not, you'll have a powerful way to track down where almost any photo was taken.